Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is my Ipsy versus Boxy. And yes guys, Ipsy looks different because now it comes in a bag. It's no longer going to be coming in a box. It comes in a bag like so. All right guys, so this is the month of August. I'm gonna start with Ipsy this month. This bag is really cute. So let's go into Ipsy, guys. All right. So the little card for Ipsy is "The future is yours." That is the theme for the month of August. And I'm not really understanding what the issue is with not adding the products onto this card. If you're already printing a card and wasting paper, why wouldn't you just add the products to this card? Like, I'm not understanding what's going on with Ipsy with that, which has me a little bit agitated. All right guys, so the first thing is really big, so I'm just gonna start with that. This is an eyeshadow palette, and this has really pretty, like, summery tropical vibes. This is the Venice Fling Bailey Sarian and Estate palette. I have never heard of this palette before. If I find the retail value, I'll just annotate it here. Ooh, these are gorgeous. I love this. So it has a nice mirror here, and then you have these gorgeous eyeshadow colors. So the names of the colors are Sol Bonfire, Rose Tattoo, Tan Lines, Ocean Avenue, Toasty, Roller Skates, Puppy Love, and Venice Fling. And I'm gonna swatch a couple because they're so pretty. I'm gonna swatch Sol. I'm gonna swatch Ocean Avenue, which is that rose gold color, which of course has me crazy. I'm gonna swatch Puppy Love. I'm gonna swatch Roller Skates. Look how pretty. So we've got Sol, Ocean Avenue, Puppy Love, and Roller Skates. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Really pretty colors. Love that. So I'm definitely liking this palette so far. Very pretty colors. Colors I like. Next thing in here is from Beauty for Real. And let's see. These are 2 shadow sticks, and these are in the colors. Okay, no color. Okay, here we go. Ever Starstruck and Midnight Marathon. Now, I'm not, this is Ever Starstruck. This looks like a highlight. And this is Midnight Marathon. So that's Midnight Marathon, and this is Ever Starstruck. They're beautiful, but if I'm already getting a palette, you know, like, why do I want extra shadows? You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys get me. Oh, I like this. This is from Huda Beauty. And these are the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. I like that. Okay. Let's see. So I definitely like the packaging for this. And the color is Shiro. Instead of like Hero, Shiro. All right, let's see. This is definitely a color I would wear, so I definitely like this. All right, that's very good. Next thing in here is a hand sanitizer. I think I added this, if I'm not mistaken. I think I added this to like my cart. I don't think this is actually a product from the monthly service. This is something that I added. So this is just hand sanitizer. Because, you know, hand sanitizer is like difficult to find. So I'm like, let me just add it. All right, then Beauty for Real. We've got a High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. This is good for a Mascara Monday. So this is the tube. I'm not gonna pull it out or anything because I wanna save that for a Mascara Monday. This I did add also to my bag, and this is from Cake Beauty, and this is the Defining Curl Cream. I really like this, so I added that. This is, did I add this or was this in my thing? I'm like so confused now. Okay, I'm confused now. So I've shown you 3 products. No, this is part of it. I don't know. I'm really confused. Okay, so the next thing in here is from Ciate London, and I'm excited just because it's a watermelon burst setting powder. I'm gonna check right now what items are in my thing. So of course Ciate London's packaging is gorgeous. Oh my God, it smells just like watermelon. This is it right here. Is that, okay, hold on. Are you guys able to see? There you go. Like the little like watermelon type little seed things. Oh my gosh, it smells just like watermelon. Can't wait to try this out. And then these other 2 products, I added them on because I really, you tell me watermelon and I want it. So this is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm Watermelon Balm with Natural Tint. And I really like Hey Honey. And then I also saw this Jersey Shore Cosmetics Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. So of course I had to add that. So in this box, what we got was the Ciate London Watermelon Setting Powder. We've got the shadow sticks. We've got the palette. We've got the Huda Beauty lipstick, and we've got the mascara. Really, really good month this month. Even though we've got like a repeated like shadow situation, it's still a really good month. And I think, I'm not sure, but I think that the product that I was able to like customize was to picking the palette, if I'm not mistaken. And now we're gonna go to Boxycharm. So Boxycharm's August theme is, I guess, spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. So kind of like a camping but glam type of situation. All right, and for them, we definitely do have the product, the products on here, which I wanted. So the first thing in here is from QMS Cosmetics, Medi Cosmetics, and this is an active glow tinted day cream, and this retails for $105, like insane. This is 1.69 fluid ounces, like that is crazy, real crazy. But apparently, yes, that's what it retails for. It was kind of open in my box, so it was kind of like this. Thank God nothing spilled out, but that's kind of what it looks like. Next thing in here comes in this little thing right here, and this is a Beach Air Dry Oil Spray. So this is a fast absorbing oil spray that's formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Okay, so it says spray and massage the oil directly onto your skin. For hair, spray the oil onto your palms and run through the tips of your hair to disperse evenly. For face, spray the oil into your hands and apply to face where needed. So I want to kind of smell. It says the smell is beach air. Oh, that smells really good. I really like this smell, so I would definitely enjoy using that. That retails for $36, and they also give you a little 30% off coupon if you're gonna buy something. Next thing is from Clarins, and this is the Velvet Lip Perfector. All right, this retails for $26. Oh, this is cute. So what? Let's see. Oh, apparently it's like this, which I don't really like those sponge tip type of applicators, but I'm guessing you squeeze and the color comes out. All right, guys, so you squeeze. Oh, and there it comes. All right, nice and soft. It is a very pretty color. It's this one right up here. So that's very nice. Next thing in here is a palette from Violet Voss. This is the Essentials 2 palette, and this retails for $36. And it's this palette right here. Has very pretty colors as well. It has a mirror here, and then you get these pretty colors. So let's swatch some. Let's swatch that rose gold. Wow. Let's swatch that. Let's swatch that copper one. Let's swatch the aqua, the blue sky, and then blue velvet. So we've got those colors, which are very pretty. This is the rose gold one. It's kind of like a color that comes in and out, but you see, you can't even really see it. We've got the other colors. Doesn't swatch. The copper one swatched nice. I don't know. And then you have the purple up here. So it's not really good when you swatch it. And the last thing are some brushes from Morphe, and this is the I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection. This is always nice to get, and this is $12. So you've got in here an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush. So in Boxy, we've got the brushes, we've got the Violet Voss palette, we've got the Beach Air Spray, we've got the lipstick, and we've got the QMS Tinted Day Cream. So in my opinion, guys, August will go to Ipsy, in my opinion. I definitely like the products in Ipsy's box way better. I really liked the lipstick. I also like the lipstick in Boxycharm, but as far as the palette goes, definitely the one that came in the Ipsy box or bag swatched way better and has way better colors than the one that came in the Boxycharm box. I just like the products overall way more. The setting powder, I'm super excited about. I do love the brushes. That's definitely something awesome to always get, but I definitely have to give the month to Ipsy. So Ipsy took the cake, even though they repeated some shadow stuff, but definitely took the cake for me in the month of August. Ipsy almost always takes the cake over Boxycharm, in my opinion, at least for me. You guys let me know what you guys think. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.